When you first turn up to a wall this size, it looks big, maybe daunting, but after you get a few lines on the wall, you can just go with it. My name's Dave Bonsai. I'm a full-time artist. I'm based in London. I'm here at the Triumph factory doing a one-off piece to celebrate the Chrome collection. When Triumph approached me for this project, I was flattered. It's a well-respected brand that makes incredible motorcycles. When I looked at the bikes, I could see straight away how they'd fit with my style of art. To put together a piece of work like this, first of all, we went back and forth with a few ideas. Saw the scale of the wall, put together some rough designs, and then went back and forth until we had the right flow and energy. I've been doing street art in various forms for longer than I haven't. I first started painting liquid chrome probably 2016 and just tried to progress it and make it almost photorealistic. I like to think that the chrome pieces I'm doing now have quite a nice high-end finish to them, just like the chrome tanks. You've got to start somewhere, and everything's a development to try and get to the point that looks and feels how you want it. I'm always looking for inspiration, and that can come from nature, machines, it can come from anywhere. For this piece, I tried to reference its surroundings. So I'm adding windows from the building and obviously the big blue sky, because it's a very open space. Finishing details are really important for me because it's kind of like the last little bits that tie everything together. That's no different to the bikes, where you can see the level of attention to detail. My favourite part of the process is seeing the public's reaction after it's finished. It was nice to try and get the artwork to interact with the bike, so we've left a negative space down the bottom where the bike can sit in front of it. So when it's photographed, it looks like the bike's coming alive and the piece is part of the bike. I'm really pleased with how they work together. The piece really captures the beauty and quality of the chrome that's on the bikes. I'm always interested in seeing the progression of artists and how they push the boundaries, and it's great to see Triumph doing the same. The liquid chrome is my way of doing it.